hurts. Ow. No.
I just can't seem to stop.
Alright, ready?
I just can't seem to stop with this.
Yeah, because that time Zach was like 10 minutes behind me. So I couldn't really freaking do anything. Skateboarding. Fine. All I have is one thing in science. He's in my underwear. Alright, one more. Ready?
No, we can't.
One. We'll go halfway. Ready, set, go.
Dude, grab onto one.
Let go.
No.
Let go.
We're good.
I want to hit your side.
Alright.